At Werzalit, we help you build a truly unique atmosphere, your atmosphere. There are infinite possibilities, and it all begins with 3 choices. Deciding on the image on the table, validating the final design, and finally, choosing the shape of the table. Leave the production to us. Our in-house designers have created more than 1,000 designs, helping restaurants, cafes, and bars all over the world create their unique terrains. And our production specialist made sure that your tables are weatherproof, durable, and easy to maintain. Design your tabletops according to your ideas and wishes. Enhance your client's dining experience and become part of their life. A place where they meet, a place where they relax, and a place where they work.